This is JHK podcast. This is one of the episode of health series tonsillitis. I won't mention any medical jargon in my podcast, for this is not important and it is not my field. Since medicines treat the disease and can't cure it, my emphasis will be on cure. If you don't understand the difference, remember the medicine you took when you had a diarrhea for the first time. Has that medicine ended your problem? Certainly not. You have had many others and took medicines again and again, isn't it so? This is called treatment or temporary recovery. Cure is a permanent treatment. It never bounces back. A real doctor is concerned with cure and not with the treatment. I used to have tonsillitis from the very childhood, and from since then I have taken medicines for hundreds of times. It used to happen within an interval of 3 to 4 months. Those who have gone through severe tonsillitis know the pain of it. Once it became so severe that blood started coming out from my nose and mouth, this is the worst case. I don't want to go into details. Cure is more important issue. Pain is temporary. I asked many doctors about the permanent solution of my problem since it had disturbed my study my whole life. And their reply was, removing the tonsil is only the permanent solution. This is ridiculous. They can't even admit that they don't have any permanent solution. That's pure dishonesty. And I was searching so desperately for the permanent solution, and it had to appear. When you put your all energy to find a solution, you find it. The solution has no choice than to appear. When I found it, it was so simple. The solution was always there, and most of the time, solution isn't far. I found that it happened to me due to two reasons. One, cold, two, dust. I won't go in details. Cure is more important, my friend. When the cause is clear, then solution is clear. During cold, I started taking lukewarm water and ginger tea. And whenever I returned to my room from outside, I gargled with lukewarm water and salt so that the dust is removed from the throat. Isn't it simple? Until you know it, it isn't, my friend. Tonsillitis is one of the ugliest diseases. It ruins your days, your work, your eating. You can do nothing than bed rest. Whoever is listening this and you are one of the victim of it and desperately looking for a permanent solution, it is there. I haven't mentioned anything about the cause, symptom and suffering, for it is irrelevant. Cure is more important. Gargle whenever you are in from outside or at least at evening. Don't take cold drinks. Keep yourself and your throat warm. This is the cure. Just because people don't know this simple cure, they are heading ignorantly with complex treatments. I'm saying this through own experience. I have no enmity with any medical industry. And please don't confuse. What I recommended is cure. It is not a treatment. Hence, start doing it from today and not when you get tonsillitis. The real doctor suggests for a cure. Namaste.